Introduction to multiples, factors, prime numbers and prime factorization including LCM and GCF. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are multiples of a number? 2. What are factors of a number? 3. How to find the factors of a number? 4. What are prime numbers? What do we call a number that is not prime? 5. How to write a number as a product of prime factors? 6. Why is the least common multiple of two or more numbers so important? 7. Why is the greatest common factor of two or more numbers so important? 8. How to calculate the least common multiple and greatest common factor of two or more numbers? 9. How are these two concepts, LCM and GCF, applied in practice? Introduction. A store only sells forks in sets of 6 and not individually, single pieces. How many sets should you buy if 48 people are invited for dinner? What about if there were 78 people? Can you buy exactly 33 forks at the store? Why? What must you do in this example? Sets of plates have 12 pieces. How many sets from each type of forks and plates are needed for 48 people? Is there a smaller number in which every person invited has one fork and one plate? This tutorial will focus on multiples and factors of a number as well as the common multiples and factors of two or more numbers. The thing that interests us most is the smallest of multiples and the greatest of factors, as these two factors have a wide range of applications in practice. In addition, we will explain prime numbers and how to write a number in prime factors. That is all for introduction to multiples, factors, prime numbers and prime factorization including LCM and GCF. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 1.5.1, What are multiples of a number? What are factors? Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.